here at Sano Industries, just about ready to pick this car up and load it onto the trailer. But up came the question, what is the weight balance? How much does this thing weigh? So we've got the thing up on scales and we're gonna test it all out right now. So curious what this is gonna say. These are numbers I have no idea. I couldn't even guess how much this weigh. I guessed earlier and everybody else laughed at me. Everybody thought, Jared even thought I was joking. Right rear, left rear. In the moment of truth. See how fat this girl is.
You can go it out here. You need to zero them out before we put them under.
Okay. Okay, they have power. I saw it was like left on. I was like, oh boy, that's not good.
I don't know if Matt needs to zero those out before we set it or not. He said something about that. I've never used them, so I don't know.
Stand on that one real quick, bro.
Left rear. Don't report the number out loud.
It's only showing 91 pounds here.
That's about right. Muscle.
91 kilos?
Yeah, 91 kilos sounds about right. Actually, it does sound about right. 2.2 pounds per kilo.
It's probably pretty close, yeah.
Yeah, I'm at like 189, 190 should be.
Want to stand on that real quick, Corey? Yeah, 189. All right, stand on the left front. No, it's right front. Yeah. All right, that's working.
So we need batteries in that one.
Yeah, you get heavier as you go around.
What does it say for me? I'm scared.
191, Rob. Dahm.
Okay, there.
2 pounds.
Yeah, I got Corey.
I still won.
All right, bets.
So bets refined, but still not knowing the actual answer. I'm gonna go with my time of birth. 1,234, 1,234 pounds. Jarrett, don't pull the one number lower or higher thing. Don't do it.
1,150 pounds.
Oh, was it our usual slushy bet?
Slushy bet.
Okay.
Or dinner.
I'm not a cheap date at all.
I'm gonna go with slushy.
After I built the arms on the front, that this notch was meant for the inside of the wheel.
Yeah, the rim.
You can see I didn't
Oh yeah.
plan it. I didn't know what it was until the rear. The rear is clear. Perfect.
Right.
But the front, I got lucky guessing.
Yeah.
But
You're pretty good. I don't think you need to turn much farther.
that's a hell of an angle. That is actually.
It's a ton of angle.
Yeah.
You would set this. You probably have to draw it out. Set this and measure your CVs. Draw something out so you could do something to figure out the angle of what it actually is. But that's a pretty good angle.
It is.
See, look at that.
Oh yeah. It's got a hell of an angle. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's get that one under, and then when I drop them, we just have to watch the antennas.
Matt, Corey, you guys got some numbers you're gonna guess?
What's the stock one weigh?
2,800 pounds.
I have a number in my head, and I'm just gonna say it. 1,800 pounds.
Oh, okay.
The way it sets.
I was gonna go like 22.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, whatever. I started at 600. I started at 600 like last week.
I already told you it wasn't gonna be that.
It's not that heavy, huh?
I changed to 1234.
Well, all the billet arms and you're getting specific.
Yeah.
Okay. This one's too high tech.
Yeah.
That center section was heavy. 2075.
2075?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Dude, you said 22 and I said 18. We're right in the middle.
Corey, you know what we didn't even look at though? It's 49.2, 50.8 side to side. Remember how we were talking about the engine being offside?
So it's perfect.
But you did, and how we ended up finishing that. It works.
Offsetting the motor and doing that
Offsetting the motor.
worked perfect.
It is balanced side to side. Wow.
What's crazy is that offset and everything worked with the front diff, the turbo weight, all that stuff hanging off of it.
That's
Offsetting
really-
the motor 2 inches.
And that means adding me in the car.
It's gonna be
It's gonna be, yeah.
yeah. Well, why don't you go sit in it?
Yeah.
Okay, so side to side. When you're in it now, we're 52.48.
Oh yeah, so we can put like the battery on the right
Yeah,
side.
yeah. It didn't change much though. 51.9, 48.1. Front to rear with you in it right now. The front is 46.7, the back is 53.3.
Oh yeah, that front will come down more.
Yeah, when we put all the fluids in it, radiators.
No, we've got some really sick balancing. The side-to-side thing's really impressive. That's actually really, really impressive. There. 49.3 front.
Really?
Yeah. 50.8.
Keeps getting better.
That's 2140. Just so we can remember, this footage is going to stay with us forever. 2140 with the whole body, even though it's double layered, multiple panels and fenders made into the final fender. It's still 2150, and basically everything that's going to be in the car there. So we have rear 50.8, 50.7, and left to right, basically. Jesus. So the car as it leaves is 50-50.
Yeah, it's right there.
Wow. Well, as much as I can talk, numbers don't lie. Both front to back, side to side are both 50 and change when the body and everything is on here as it is. Obviously things will change. This is still just a skeleton, but it has all of the major components, and these guys nailed it out. We have a vehicle that we can now work from. And with the engine off balance, with everything off sides, you realize that that was actually a really smart move. So I'm very, very pleased that Sano presented that concept to me. The result is going to handle much better than it ever did before. You can see that the steering radius, much tighter, everything is just better. So this vehicle coming back into my arms is a beautifully balanced monster.